Greetings, and welcome to this week's podcast overview for EDTC 1234, Section A, Strategies in Early Literacy Development. This week, we will take a look at the importance of name recognition and the part it plays in early literacy development. For children, learning to write their name is an exhilarating experience. It makes learning letters more meaningful because they soon discover that those same letters they are learning are also in their name. Soon, the first letter of their name becomes their letter, and everything else that might start with their letter is an interesting topic to them. Children will learn to recognize their own name the more they see it. In a classroom, this can be supported by attendance, helper charts, and other print samples all around the room. It is important that through these strategies you make sure to give children ample opportunities to identify their name and their friends' names. For example, for attendance you can have cards with each child's picture above their name, then ask a helper to take attendance by seeing who is present for the day. As the child is going through the picture cards, they are also viewing their name. As the year progresses, most children will be able to recognize which is their name compared to others. Other strategies to encourage name recognition are the name cheer, name graphs, star interview, name puzzles, and the name change rhyme or song. In the name cheer activity, children take turns spelling a friend's name out loud, letter by letter. It is a great activity to build name recognition and also gives each child the opportunity to have a special moment having their name spelled out. In a name graph, children's names are placed on the graph based on the number of letters in their name. After the names are placed on the graph, you can compare out loud and say children's names that begin with the same letter. A star interview is a great way to have the children get to know each other and things they like. In this activity, a child is asked questions such as, what is your favorite color, food, animal, etc. You would write the child's answers on a chart paper for the rest of the group to see. Apart from learning to recognize their name, children are also introduced to short sentences, stating that a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. A name puzzle is a very fun and interactive strategy where children practice putting their name together. They can also count how many letters are in their name and compare to a friend's name, making connections and practice naming letters that they may have in common. Name recognition leads children to discover what a letter is, and as their interest grows, children can be introduced to letter sound awareness, which is a topic we will be covering next week. See you then!
Created using Powtoon.